Like, good morning. I usually try to cut out distractions like my messy house, but caught me. I am off to Toronto today. Sorry, again. I'm a very organized person. I'm off to Toronto today because Hatch Maternity is doing a pop-up, and I thought I would go and see what it's all about. There's this jumpsuit that I really, really want from there that I didn't see in New York. And Hatch, if you don't know, it's like a maternity brand, but what they do is they really focus on before, during, and after. So I think their stuff is very smartly designed. I got, let me show you, a dress from there in New York, the Jenna dress, I think it's called. And I think it's so beautiful and I love it so much. So this is it. It has this really beautiful ruffle that covers your bra strap. So it's like thick enough. Comes in yellow and like almost like a burgundy. And it's like tencel and linen. And then it goes all the way down. So I'll probably try on that again for you today, just so you can see it. But I think this is such a good buy because it's going to be good for before and after baby. And this drawstring is adjustable, so you can make it tighter up here. And it's nursing friendly, so that's what I'm up to today. I'll show you what I'm wearing. I think I mentioned before that I'm trying not to do too much maternity stuff, so I like Hatch because it is so smartly designed, and I'm going to definitely do a video after just to kind of judge whether it is good for after maternity, like in a couple months. So hopefully I get that jumpsuit. I emailed them asking about it. It's the Lucy, and Julia Hengel, who's pregnant, just got it, and she's on Gal Meets Glam, so I know a lot of people are gonna want it too. And they said, I emailed them and they said it's gonna be at the pop-up and that they're gonna restock it in 3 weeks. So I'll show you what that looks like. It's really beautiful. So I'm really excited because I've been wanting it for a couple weeks now. And yeah, I'll show you what else they have and maybe go to a couple more stores in Toronto if I have time. But anyway, I'll show you what I'm wearing today. My doe and thistle top in the plaid. I have this in 2 patterns, which I love so much. This is my shell necklace from Madewell. I need to get a new cover. And then these are my maternity jeans from H&M, which are slowly wearing out, probably just in time. This baby's coming out in 9 weeks, thank goodness. And then I'll probably just wear those sneakers that I've been wearing from Nordstrom. I'll show you those later. It's raining outside, but from Toronto, the Eaton Centre, where the train comes in, is an underground path all the way to the mall, so I can avoid the rain, which I plan to do. So yeah, let's go to Toronto.
Time has been so hard on us, my friend. Sun goes down, but we get back again. Trouble is a silly thing, it always ends up breaking, but everything still works out in the end. No matter what they call it, no matter what they want it, they don't know there's no way they'll ever get it. Wind just blows, but we keep on standing. We'll call it whatever that we want it. Don't you know there's no way they will ever get it? Wind just blows, but we keep on standing, standing. Time has been so hard on us, my friend. But through every night we keep on dancing. Trouble is a silly thing, it always ends up sneaking in. But with you it's like the summer never ends. No matter what they call it, no matter what they want it, they don't know there's no way they will ever get it. Wind just blows, but we keep on standing. We'll call it whatever that we want it. Don't you know there's no way they will ever get it? Wind just blows, but
eat my coconut curry on the train. I'm trying to get as far away from people as possible so that I don't stink up the whole train. So that was a fun shopping trip. I also got this really cute bathing suit for Lux that was on clearance. They have like a 40% off right now. So this is what I got her. So cute, so cute, so cute. So I'll see you in a little bit.
Stand clear of the doors. Stand clear. Doors aren't closing.
Poppy wanted to try on Lux's bathing suit, and it fits her pretty good. If it's small, it's a size 6. Poppy's in usually a size 3. So, yeah. It fits Lux perfectly too, but if you ever see the brand Tucker and Tate, I think it fits small. It's the bathing suits. Do you like your bathing suit, Pop? It's the end of the night, and I just uploaded my Friday video about my New York vlog, so check that out if you haven't yet. And that's it. I'm actually going to vlog tomorrow too. I think it's like it's Easter here, and we're going to go to my sister-in-law's house, which is in the country, and to their aunt's farm to see baby cows. So the girls are really excited, so I thought I would vlog that too, because I think this part is gonna be really short, the shopping part. I'm really happy with my jumpsuit that I got. It was a really hard decision because I also like the black, but I think that pink color is really beautiful. And that's it. I'm just like in a really good mood. We just put the girls in the room to share. Again, we tried to do it a year ago and it didn't really work out because it was just very stressful. But they needed to share a room because we just don't have a lot of room here, and we need a spot to put baby boy, and he's gonna go in my office. But Lux was on our floor for a year, so they're sharing a room, and I have to show you a picture. I'm so excited with how everything's going. So this is their room, the camera. This is Lux, and then this is Poppy. Poppy, for the past 4 months, has been sleeping right outside her door, so this is massive improvement. She's done this, like, I think 3 times this week, asleep in her bed, so we just had to break up the routine, and we're just, like, so happy on the progress. So it feels like a parenting win. I think we started it a week ago, and we've had some definite ups and downs, and 2 sleepless nights, and Wes is sick now, and I'm just like too pregnant not to sleep right now, so it's been a tough one. But yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. We'll take you on our Easter shenanigans, so hopefully that'll be lots of fun. Good night. Good morning. It is Monday. I was gonna vlog on Saturday, but then Lux and Poppy both woke up with fevers, so we kind of had a sick day. It was too bad because it was Easter and we had so much fun planned, so I'm really sad that they didn't get to go and do that. They're so small that they don't really know what they're missing out on, but it was still just like so hard to be sick on a long weekend. So I didn't get to see any family because my sister-in-law, who we're gonna go visit, had a baby who's like 3 months old, so of course we don't want to get her sick. We don't want to get anyone sick. But so I'm gonna vlog today. I might go to a thrift store, but otherwise I'm gonna work at a coffee shop and then do an unboxing because I have 2 packages coming today, so it's really fun. I have some sandals, which I'm really excited to show you. So, and that's it. Let's go. Oh, actually, I'll show you what I'm going to wear today. I'm wearing that new jumpsuit from Hatch, which is really cute, really comfy. Too lazy to iron this. I love it. It's really, yeah, really comfortable, really easy. I think it'll work really well for when I'm not pregnant. I do like the sleeves a little shorter on me, so I might alter that, and then obviously I have to get it hemmed on the bottom. You can see that it's a little bit too long, but right now it works really well. I'm going to put on my Christy Dawn Claire coat. I'll show you what that looks like. I love this coat so much. It's linen, and they keep coming out with different variations of it, but it's just like I love the length of it so much. And then I have some mules on, and then my Matt and Nad bag. So ready to, yeah, I need to grab a big coffee. Poppy was up at 3 o'clock this morning, so and I can't fall asleep when I'm pregnant for some reason after. I just have such a problem falling asleep again. So I'm gonna go get a really big coffee and then yeah, try to get some work done. So I'm back from working at a coffee shop. I didn't get too much done because it was really distracting, but I got my packages. So I got my one from Cezanne, And then my one from Anthropology. So I'll open my Cezanne one first. This is just a t-shirt that's in a massive box. They're so funny with some of their packaging sometimes. Sometimes they send you just an envelope of something, and then sometimes it's like a massive box. So this is a beautiful box. They have this like Paraiso, I think that's paradise in Spanish, theme for spring right now. And this is what I got. So I love their graphic t-shirts. This is Une fille de Mars, which means the girl of March, or March girl. They did all these like astrological or monthly t-shirts recently, so I just love this so much. It's not something I can really model for you right now. It's a size small, it's my normal size in Cezanne, but I know I'm gonna like this after baby, and I just can't resist anything with bold lip, red, white, and blue. I think it's just so beautiful, so French. So I'm now onto my shoes. So I got these gorgeous Loeffler Randall Sandals, the Starless Sandals. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the brand right, but wanted these sandals for a while now, and I'm just excited to finally get them. They're sold out in most like accessible places, and Anthropology is not really that accessible for Canadians to order online from because the duty charges are very high. So warning to Canadians out there, try to find it in store if you can. But look, so pretty. You see the stars? Oh, I'm so excited to try these on. I'll try these ones on for you, and yeah, hopefully they fit and everything works out well. Well, luckily they fit perfectly. They're a 37.5, or it's a 7.5 US, which I am. You can see my marks from my other shoes, and I need a pedicure, but I really love them. So they have different colors of them. They have some that are like all gold, some that are all silver, and then these ones have a nude strap, and then the gold is on the pretty stars. Yeah, I think they're so pretty, and I'm so glad that they fit well. My feet are just starting to swell from pregnancy, so these will do for a little bit until it stops. But I think they're so gorgeous. I think they're gonna be so nice with jeans and with dresses, because I think they're really neutral and flattering. Pretty, 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 pretty. And I even had heart ones at one point for Valentine's Day called Heartlaw. These are called Starlaw, so really pretty. I'll have them linked below if you're interested. I think they're gorgeous. I think I'll end the vlog here. I'm so tired from not sleeping and being just in my 3rd trimester. It's kind of a bummer of a day, except for getting the nice new shoes. But yeah, I'm just exhausted. So I'm just going to say goodbye now, and I'll see you next time. Hope you all have a good day. I'll get the rest that you need. Bye.